Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to set up my Neweer backdrop stands. I bought these on Amazon and I want to try to set them up and see how they look. As you can see, I got really bad shadows back here. I've got a lot of weird stuff going on, and I eventually want to get a backdrop set up to make it nice, make these look a little more professional. Then we'll try to get the lights under control and see what we can do moving down the road a little bit. So I got this backdrop, and it comes in a nice bag. This bag here has your legs, it has your poles to go across. It's really light aluminum. It's super easy to set up. You get 3 of these backdrop holders to keep it from falling off. You need something to support it up top. And you get 2 sandbags, so you can fill these up. It's really lightweight. If you're doing anything outside or with any kind of movement, you got kids that are going to be standing on the backdrop, you might pull it. You might want to put a little bit of weight in there to kind of balance it out. So now I'm going to put it together. I'll take it out of the bag, show you how simple it is to get this thing up. I've put it together once already. They give you 4 supports to go across the top. This room is way too small for that, so I'm only using 3. And you'll see how wide it is and how well it goes together. It's really simple. Get 2 of these end supports. They both have adjustments to pull the tops up. I'd suggest when you're doing this to take the wing nut off the top. So on this we've got these end pieces. They have click tabs in here. Put one into here. Squeeze the pins. Pop together like that. When you're putting these together, make sure you get the ends with this hole. This hole will let you put that right over the end. And then the wing nut screws right on top of that to hold it in place. Once you've got the poles in place, take the wing nuts, put them on top to hold it in place. Tighten them down. And then you're ready to go. So now all you need is a backdrop of some sort. There's a whole bunch of them out there online. I went kind of cheap because it's my first one. Didn't really know what I wanted, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on using all kinds of different backdrops for my thing until I got the look I really wanted. So what I did is I found a cheap one online for maybe 20 bucks, and I bought it. I'm going to throw it on here real quick, and then I'll be right back. As you can see, the clips are kind of sticking into the frame, so you're going to want to zoom in a little bit. We're going to want to crop here and bring this in tight so you don't see the clips, the outer edge, or anything in the background like you do here. I didn't go crazy with this backdrop. It's a $20 roughly backdrop I got online on Amazon, and it's just a starter piece. Keep it from going a little crazy and blowing your budget if you're just starting out. You don't have to break the bank. This is kind of nice. It looks really fancy, but it's just a piece of paper with a big picture printed on it. So let me frame in and show you what this should look like when it's all set up. Alright, so that's my review of the Neweer backdrop stands. I'll put a link in the description below to show you where it is and how I got it. If you want, like this channel, subscribe down below, and keep watching for more content. I hope to see you again soon.